How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about securing passwords with one of the most popular platforms out there in RoboForm. Now, my introduction to the world of password managers is because I had an account of mine hacked into because I was kind of playing it fast and loose with my security. So I did some research, and RoboForm was consistently recommended due to the fact that they've been around since the 90s and have a pretty good reputation. And if you stick around, I'll talk about some deals that I was able to get for you guys in case you want to try them out yourselves. Now, for those of you wondering about the prices because you have a particular budget, I'll tell you straight up that there is a free plan and then two paid ones that cost $3 to $4 a month. However, that doesn't tell you the whole story, so stick around and learn a bit about RoboForm, and then I'll go into more detail on the plans themselves. Furthermore, RoboForm has been around since the late 90s, and they've grown to be more than just a password manager. Their system also allows you to fill out forms with your saved info by using the credentials that you've inputted in the My Identity tab. This includes everything from your email and phone number down to your car registration info and passport. This improved my quality of life when applying for jobs, for example, as it can get really redundant going through all of those forms. You can also have various identities for different purposes like those job applications, but even credit card and address details when you're buying something, and that passport feature is really helpful when buying plane tickets because you'd otherwise have to get up and find it. What's more, when you install the RoboForm browser extension, you'll have this little prompt indicating the autofill feature for your identity, and all you got to do is pick which identity you want to use when it pops up. However, this isn't unique to RoboForm though. Other password managers such as Keeper and Bitwarden also have this feature. However, what they don't have is the ability to include extra fields like education and marital status, for example. This is extra handy because you have the flexibility to include things that aren't already included by default, and provides you with an even better experience when going through the form filling process. You can access this feature by opening the RoboForm editor on your computer. Once there, find the identity you want to add information to, and then create a custom field. You can name the field after the questions such as marital status, and then input your response like happily single. If the question is asked differently in another form, you can add those variations in the other matching string box. This helps RoboForm recognize and fill out similar questions correctly, making things a lot easier. Moreover, like I mentioned, RoboForm covers your passwords as well. So in this case, you'd have to go to the RoboForm dashboard and head to logins to input your info. Afterwards, whenever you go to that site, you'll have the RoboForm prompt up and ready, and you just click on it so that it autofills your login info. Now, using these features requires providing RoboForm with a significant amount of personal info, prompting a valid question. Can you rely on them to safeguard your sensitive info? Well, before I used it, I looked into their privacy policy and their history. Essentially, they have an impeccable track record, devoid of any instances of mishandling or selling user data. Despite their longevity in the industry, they've never experienced any data leaks or breaches throughout their 25 somewhat years of operation. This filled me with confidence, and so I can consider it to be secure with a clean history, in contrast to platforms like LastPass, which have faced documented security breaches. And RoboForm also takes extra steps to keep your info safe. They use two-factor authentication for added security. They also have a clear privacy policy that promises not to misuse your data. Plus, they underwent a thorough audit to make sure they handle user info properly. And also, your passwords are only accessible to you. Even RoboForm can't see them. You're the only one who can get to your stored data with your master password, but there is a way to get around this, and I'll talk about that in a bit. Now, let's dig a little deeper into how RoboForm manages your passwords. First things first, you can grab RoboForm for free on your computer, phone, or tablet. When you sign up, remember to set a master password, and if you upgrade to a paid plan, you can designate someone to help you out if you ever get locked out, but they do need their own RoboForm account, even if it's just the free version. If you're more into using your fingerprints or face to unlock your devices, you can use that too to get back into RoboForm if you ever forget your master password. Once you've got RoboForm up and running, you can bring all your passwords in from another app or your web browser. You can even import your bookmarks. It's a breeze to set up and install a tool in your browser to help you automatically. From there, all your passwords and bookmarks are neatly organized. You've also got a bunch of options for managing your passwords and bookmarks, changing them, naming them, and sharing with others. And if you're trying to beef them up, RoboForm also has you covered. It'll put together a new password for you when you're creating a new account somewhere, and it saves it right away. So now that you're acquainted with RoboForm, we're ready to talk about the plans. So let's dig in. Now, you have a free version, which is a solid jumping off point, but you can always try out the premium and family plan for 30% off. And it also includes a 30-day money back policy if you end up not liking it. However, we'll talk about those after we touch on what you get with the free plan. Now, it's limited to just one device and you can't share items or folders unless it's for one-time use. It also offers basic password management features, including unlimited password storage, password auditing, and form filling. It's a good option for anyone who wants to securely store their passwords and autofill forms without paying anything. And if you got a big family, the family plan is your best bet. Go figure, coming in at about $48 a year. You'll get 5 separate premium accounts, each able to secure as many devices as you can throw at it. It's perfect if you got a lot of people at home. Not to mention, with the discount, this comes down to $33 for the first year. So no matter which plan you go for, don't forget to use that discount, which will be located in the description. Beyond passwords though, RoboForm lets you securely share stuff with others, and from my experience, it mostly runs smoothly. Sure, there were a couple of bumps with the browser tool, but they got ironed out fast. Overall, RoboForm was a breeze, and it didn't give me too much grief, which is definitely a plus. Some definitely have when it comes to password managers. Another thing I really liked is that you don't get charged by RoboForm to use their platform when you make transactions. For example, Google Pay does charge $1 if you use it to make a transaction. Sure, you get that $1 back shortly after it goes through, but I don't like that system regardless. On the flip side, again, RoboForm doesn't do that. Now, when comparing RoboForm with something like Norton and Kaspersky, it's clear that RoboForm offers a more comprehensive and feature-rich experience. RoboForm is just better in providing advanced functionalities such as customizable form filling, password sharing options, and security measures like two-factor authentication and emergency contact access. In contrast, both Norton and Kaspersky offer basic password management capabilities but lack the depth and versatility of RoboForm. People have found Norton and Kaspersky interfaces to also be less intuitive, and their feature set is limited. So with that being said, I think it's pretty obvious to tell that I do recommend RoboForm. It was a welcome addition to my security toolset, and I appreciated how easy it was to use. The interface is clean and simple to understand, and I felt like I had full control of all my passwords. It's a nice change of pace from having to write everything down, and having the ease of mind knowing all my information is secure is something I really couldn't put a price on. And if all that sounds solid to you, then you can try out RoboForm at a discounted price with the link in the description. If you guys have any further questions though, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I'll get to you as soon as I can. But if you enjoyed the video, then consider subscribing and liking so we know to keep it up. At any rate though, thank you so much for watching, and until next time guys, take care.